Hi, this is Emery, and I'm on a journey to lose 100 pounds while taking care of this little mess. I know you see her pulling my hair. I know you see it. Anyway, I have filmed a day of eating plus Snowmageddon in Texas. We just got some really cold weather and a ton of snow here in Texas, and we just got about 6 inches of snow Sunday night going into Monday morning, and a lot of people right now are without power and without water. I know my parents are without water right now because the main line in their city froze over, so the whole city is without water. And then I have a lot of friends in the Dallas-Fort Worth area who have been without power for days. So my thoughts and prayers are definitely out to them. We've been very lucky to keep power. We've had it flicker a couple of times, and we've been very lucky to keep water. I'm going to show you a full day of eating. I'll show you some clips of the snow, and that'll be today's video. Okay, I'm gonna take you along for a day in a Texas blizzard. I am still expected to work, so I'm gonna be working from home 100% until the snow chills out, which is gonna be interesting because I work in a job that cannot be done 100% from home. It's gonna be interesting. It's gonna be a little interesting. I left my coffee. So I made breakfast while we still have power. I have 2 eggs with some Fiesta cheese and 2 of the Great Value spicy sausage patties. I have gone back to trying to eat more keto as far as carbs go. So instead of doing low carb, I am going to be doing 20 net carbs, or at least trying to. But I started it yesterday and I went over by 8. So, yeah, it is what it is. I mean, going back first day at 20 carbs, I would say it's not that bad, especially when I've been used to eating like 50 and 60 net carbs. And let's be honest, I haven't been doing well anyway. So, whatever. I had gone out yesterday to check on our outdoor faucets, making sure that they hadn't frozen, making sure that they were still like covered and doing okay. Well, and then I also walked the house to make sure there wasn't anything crazy going on around it. So as I was walking the house, there's these really high snow drifts on the side of my house. I measured it and they were like 17 inches, which to me is crazy. If you live in the north and or somewhere you're used to snow, you might think that's just a little bit amount. I don't know. But as I was walking through and looking at everything, I kept hearing meowing. Well, we don't have a cat. We never have. And so I was like, oh my gosh, there's a cat under my house. So I managed to get the cat to come out a little bit so I could see it, but it obviously did not want to go anywhere near the snow. But it wouldn't come all the way out of the from under the house for me. I can't talk. Alex went out and the cat came out for him, and so we managed to get it in the house. It's super friendly, guys. This is not just like some random stray. This is obviously somebody's pet. The cat, like whenever it came out, immediately came up, was loving on us. It is constantly coming up for love, wants all the pets in the world. So it's obviously someone's pet, and hopefully we can get it back to them. But at least until the snow melts and the roads get better, the cat's gonna stay here with us inside. And then once the roads melt, we'll take it to the vet, check for a microchip. If it doesn't have a microchip, I don't know how we're gonna get it home. I don't know anybody out here yet. We've only been here for 2 months now, and I know there's an older man next door and then a family with kids on that side, so it could be theirs. I have never seen a cat over there with him. I've just seen like a larger dog or 2. So I don't know whose cat this is or how long it's been out of the house. But it loves looking outside. It's just sitting on the couch looking out the window.
and then we let it out last night to go to the bathroom because we don't have a litter box or anything. And it went under the house for a little bit, and then it did come out a little while later and was standing at my door meowing, wanting to come back in because it wouldn't come in when I called it, so I just closed the door. But yeah, so I'm gonna eat breakfast. I'm gonna try to start working a little bit. Hopefully the power doesn't go out. The baby is hanging out in her chair, playing with her like crinkly little book. She's a little angry that I can't turn on her Cocoa Melon, but we've lost internet, so the TV's not gonna work. So yeah, I'm gonna eat breakfast and then go from there. You saying hi? All right, so my breakfast is done. Her breakfast is done. So we both have eaten. And she's got milk all over her face. Yeah. It's just now 8 o'clock. So I'm about to log onto my computer and get started on work. It's gonna be an interesting day for sure. Here's lunch. We have half of a bell pepper with the cream cheese spread with everything but the bagel seasoning, a little wrap that has ham, salami, and bacon on it with a bacon cheddar ranch dip, mayo, and mustard. And then we have these tangy ranch cheese crisps. These are pretty good. I'm not a cheese crisp person, but they're pretty good. They're super crunchy. Also going to drink a red Powerade, 0 sugar. Although I have just a tiny bit of Coke Zero left in here. So I'll finish drinking that real quick first. But yeah, so that's lunch. I'm gonna hang out here, watch some YouTube, eat lunch, and then I have to go back to work. I took my lunch a little late, so I have to go back to work at 2. Yeah, so see you guys later.
Baby girl, look at all the snow. Look at all the snow, and then what is that? Is there just so much snow? There's just so much snow? And then icicle. Holy cow. Don't walk back here. You're gonna die. Oh my gosh. And just think, we're gonna get more of it tonight. Mama made a pizza. And it's a stuffed crust pizza too. Baby's down for the night. So I made myself a little margarita on the rocks. 1.5 ounces of tequila, plus 2 ounces of skinny syrup strawberry key lime margarita mix, and some ice. So my dessert for the night, because I am 2 over on my carbs. This should be 0 carbs. So that's good. If I wasn't worried about waking the baby, I would have blended it up into like a slush, but that's good. I accidentally lied. It was 1 carb for the margarita. Okay, so as you guys saw for dinner tonight, I had pizza.
I made pizza dough out of Carb Quick. It was okay. I probably won't do it again. It was basically like eating your pizza toppings on a biscuit. So probably won't do it again. I did it with Carb Quick, water, an egg, and a little bit of oil, and yeah, not worth it in my opinion. I'd rather do fathead dough. Carb Quick was easier as far as it wasn't as sticky and I didn't have as hard of a time as I would with fathead dough, but fathead dough tastes better. So, but it wasn't terrible. So after the margarita, I am 3 over my 20 carbs today, but otherwise, macros look great.
Oh my gosh, my dog almost killed himself trying to go pee.
Potty, hurry. Go potty. Oh. Go potty, Matt.
My hand compared to the snow. It's still snowing a little bit. My septic tank is covered.
Hey, gimme. What are you doing? Come on. What are you doing? Come here. Nah. Come here. Come here. Come on, Maddie. Come on. What are you doing? Come on, baby. Y'all are cheating. Y'all are going through what mom and dad already walked through. Get on my freaking porch, asshole. Come here, Beth. You playing in the snow? What is this stuff? What is this stuff? Maverick, no sir. Look. Hey. You leaving me? Excuse me. What are you doing? Oh my goodness, Mavi. Oh my goodness.
Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and even leave a comment down below. If you have any questions, you can leave them down below also, and I will answer them as soon as I see them. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye! You're mean mugging. Oh, you mean mugging. Ooh. Ooh, the festo. Oh my goodness. Oh no!
Oh, you got the hiccups.